Google Sheets now has Smart Chips. Amazing. So I highlighted a cell and I'm going to go to Insert and go down to Smart Chips. And I'm going to start with people. I like to do people first. So put Innovative Learning in there. And once I click on the name of Innovative Learning in that cell, the information for that individual will come up if they are in our district. All right, awesome. I'm going to go to the cell underneath. I'm going to go back to Insert and Smart Chips. And this time I'm going to add a file. The file I'm going to add is week 1 assignments. So if you click on that particular cell, it's going to take you to the file that is located in my Google Drive. Pretty cool. I can do that with lots of different files. You can also do calendar events, but you can also do, this new one is rating. You can give somebody a scale from 1 to 5 stars. That's pretty cool. I love Smart Chips. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.